wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best soup makers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The all-clad Prep and Cook 4.7 quart food processor comes complete with 6 automatic cooking programs, 5 accessories, and a collection of 300 recipes to chop, mince, blend, steam, and simmer your way through as you prepare a huge variety of hot and cold meals. It features adjustable speed and temperature settings and a steel bowl with a steam control lid. It makes chunky stews too. At number 9. Featuring an 1150 watt cooking element and an 800 watt mixing arm, the Kenwood cooking chef can turn chicken into consomme and beets into borscht with the push of a button. It also fills the roles of stand mixer and power blender for a variety of kitchen uses. It offers 11 blending and stirring speeds and includes a recipe book, but the heating is confined to the small base. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the versatile Soyajoy G4 works equally well for making blended soups as it does making soy milk. It features a stainless steel grinding and cooking chamber that alleviates any concerns about plastic leaching into food. This makes a great gift for vegans. It boasts a smooth and quiet operation and advanced temperature and water level sensor. However, cleaning can be difficult. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soup makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the undisputed king of European multifunctional kitchen appliances, the vorwerk thermomix is a countertop food processor and culinary magic maker that comes with everything you need to prepare gourmet chowders, bouillabaisse, and even complete meals effortlessly. It boasts over 100 programmable recipes and weighs and measures automatically, but its cost may be prohibitive. Moving up our list to number 6. Designed for making soy and other non-dairy milks, the joyoung DJ13U D08SG is also a pro at blending and cooking numerous drinks and dishes, from frozen smoothies to steaming stocks. Its thickness technology allows you to tailor the texture of the result to your liking. It's equipped with an automatic cleaning cycle, and its even heating prevents scorching. However, the instructions are poorly translated. Halfway up our list at number 5. The KitchenAid multi-cooker with stir tower offers 10 programmable cycles and includes step-by-step guidance for consistently turning out delightful hot dishes like creamy risotto, rich stews, and thick bisques without all the effort of constant stirring. It comes with a 4-quart ceramic-coated cooking pot, a 24-hour slow cook and keep warm timer, and a steamer. At number 4, the Presto Pure IAE15 has an attractive and durable stainless steel body, so you won't have to hide it away when company shows up. It works with a range of base ingredients, including legumes, nuts, and vegetables, to whip up delicious soups and other pureed dishes. It's equipped with a stay-cool exterior, a half-gallon capacity, and a 12-month warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Litchi Multifunctional is like the one-man band of kitchenware, a unified but ungainly-looking conglomeration of the most popular small appliances for quick and convenient meal preparation. It grinds, blends, stirs, and simmers with minimal user intervention. It features 10 speed controls with a pulse mode, manual or automatic operation, and a BPA-free splatter shield. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soup makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Breville Boss offers power and convenience in an easy-to-operate design that features a variable speed dial to fine-tune texture while blending. It's equipped with a preset soup program and is also great for cocktails or smoothies. It comes with a high-velocity Pro Kinetics blade, a dedicated cleaning function, and a shatterproof Triton jug. And coming in at number 1 on our list, capable of single-handedly producing an impressive range of dishes, from savory goulash to creamy custard, the all-in-one cedarlane Bellini Kitchen Master can turn raw ingredients like crunchy tubers and hearty cuts of meat into the mouth-watering meal of your dreams. It comes with a bilingual cookbook and can stew and steam simultaneously. It's equipped with a powerful 800-watt motor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soup makers, or simply click beneath this video.